Hello friends. Today I am going to talk about very common topic we come across so far power transformer distribution transformer is concerned. It is well known fact that our transformer oil is a basically mineral oil made up of hydrocarbons. What happens when some fault happens or when some incipient fault start within a transformer? That can be ascertained, that can be checked, that can be known by one very common test that is called DGA, dissolved gas analysis. It is very pertinent to understand here that above 150 degrees Celsius the decomposition of oil, mineral oil in the transformer start. The purpose of transformer oil is known to everyone. It is for the cooling purpose and to provide the insulation in the transformer. When the incipient fault or some fault happens and above 150 degrees some gases generation start. The main gases are hydrogen, methane, ethane, ethylene, acetylene, and the main generation of hydrogen and methane start above 160 degree, whereas the ethane start above 250 degrees Celsius, ethylene start generating above 350 degrees Celsius, whereas the acetylene as shown here indicates temperature of more than 700 degrees Celsius. There are some conditions indicated are hot spot, some are arcing conditions, specifically with the generation of acetylene indicates the arcing condition within a transformer. As an electrical engineer, you should understand, you should have knowledge of DGA and the main gases generated because of the decomposition of mineral oil in the transformer: hydrogen, methane, ethane, ethylene and acetylene. And to have more further analysis of DGA, you can refer the three most important document IEEE 357.104, or you can refer IEC 60599, and you can also refer the SIGRE document 296. This was the basic idea, and this video is specifically for the youth engineer. I hope you will understand the concept of DGA and decomposition of gases. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention every time. Thank you very much.